Hey guys, welcome back to my brand new video. This is Shreya and you're watching Shri Creates. Right now I'm vlogging after long time. Like I not get time. There were internals going on. There was a lot of stuff. I'll tell you slowly what all happened these days and all. So I just don't know, but I have decided to vlog at least 1 week. In 1 week I'll upload one video at least, so that the consistency remains. And good to see you all again. And yeah, starting with, like, after whole my internals and all, I'm back right sitting here in my room. I'll just adjust the camera. Yeah. So, like, right now the plans are like, I have to set up a timetable for my finals, like, seeing the IA performance, like internal 2 performance. I thought that there was something lacking, which I could not focus upon, and I have to hustle it out. I have no idea how it is going to happen, but I'm going to share. In this video, I'm going to share what all I do after the sun goes down, right after the sunset. Like when I come to college, like when I come back from college, and then I have some tea and all. Like right now it's all done, so I have to just show you what is my evening routine of what I study and all. So that's what I'm going to show you all. And moreover, like, I have to write my assignment, whole assignments of all subjects. There's submission in this week. Like today it is it's Thursday. It's Thursday, and I have to see, like, till by Saturday I have to at least submit my two of my assignments, which are huge. Due to this internals, there were lot of procrastination where I have to figure it out everything. So I'll just write that first. And I got a new laptop stand. Like I have just put my mobile there. I'll just show you. Okay, this is my laptop stand. You can just see it from here. I don't remove my laptop right now. मतलब वो बहुत फिर heavy पड़ता है. But then this is what it looks like. It's some aesthetics, okay, just like that. And I was just seeing that laptop stand, so I got a new, like, it was badly needed, so I took it. Like वैसे नीचे गर्दन डाल के I get hurt here, so I thought I could buy something as a tech girl. So I'll take you whole through my video. Just keep watching till the end. Yeah, see you. And let me tell you one more thing. Yeah, just ignore the background sound. My mom is cooking, and so yeah. So if right now I'm watching a series called Off Campus, I mean, क्या ही बोलूं? It's like I have no idea. I mean, how can they release this series when you have such damn exams? I mean, students, what really they do, they don't understand. I mean, just they ignore the studies. I don't know how to spell it out, but yeah, it is just like this series. If you haven't watched it, please go and watch it on Prime. I mean, that's what it is, right? So it's so relatable, guys. I mean, when you're in the relationship and stuff, doesn't applicable for me. Okay, so just not applicable, but yeah, I did watch that. But if any one of you is in relationship with, like, a long years, how that should be, otherwise how the communication should be. It's not just, not like, I don't know how to tell that, but if you haven't watched it, please go watch it. You'll enjoy that. And this is what students, engineering students too. Like, of course, if you're not in engineering also, you can do watch it. It's like off campus series. Okay, so yeah, I'll take you through. I just thought to share this out because पता नहीं कौन कौन देखे हैं नहीं देखे हैं. तो जिन लोगों ने नहीं देखा, go and watch, right? So yeah, take it through. So I have just completed my one of the assignment which has to be completed, that is of signals and systems. So उसके बाद I'm just lined up right now, like I don't know what to say. I'm just damn tired, so I think I should end my vlog over here. Like, there is lot more to say right now. Like, I'll just set up my camera. I'll just say. Yeah. So I just wanted to tell, like, see, this all, as you all know, what happened this year of NEET. Okay, there are some scams or paper leaks, right? So I just wanted to say the students who are preparing for competitives, like, do your work. Okay, I mean, I don't say that people are not working hard. Okay, there is a bad, like, who are struggling to get that one MBBS seat, right? One medical seat. People are struggling. People are hustling day and night. See, just you just have to be focused. Like, whatever the world goes, world is like going very unpractically, or I just say ki it is, I don't know how it has to be said, but we're not expecting these things to be happening, right? So uh, world is going somewhere, we are struggling for that one seat. Okay, I just wanted to say that, do keep working hard. The students who are facing real struggles and to get that one MBBS seat, don't lose your hopes. Okay, just be practical. Uh, just go with the flow. Okay, so it is not that कि तुम्हारा ही नसीब खराब है. जिन बच्चों का इस साल नीट गया है, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड द फीलिंग ऑफ देम. ओके, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू से दैट इट इज फॉर ऑल नीट एस्पिरेंट्स आउट देयर. Be calm, just go out, just hustle out everything and figure it out by yourself. Okay, world is not gonna wait for you, okay, for that thing. And this is for the NEET students who are NEET aspirants. Now coming to the engineering background which I am in. So basically, AI is taking through the world. Okay, AI is taking out the world like anything. Okay, it is just going crazy. So you have to not be stuck it out like, I don't know how to operate this. You know, it is not how it is going to happen. This, okay, henceforth. एक स्टूडेंट ने बोला कि आई डोंट नो हाउ टू पुट द asterisk in the from the keyboard, right? What do you have to do for that asterisk? Okay, I see my friends, not my friends exactly, I see my juniors or who are in school. Okay, but there are students who are pro in that, who have that tech knowledge from that level itself. You know, those are the basic things where you get to know when you are exposed to that tech world. Okay, so I personally say, be in touch with what you are doing, what you want to do. Okay, you don't have to figure it out every random thing on that day, on that moment itself. Okay, give it some time to think, give it some space. I mean to say, give it some space, let it calm down, and just think of that कि तेरे को क्या करना है. Okay, so this is what I wanted to say. Just because of NEET aspirants, I just wanted to say I just feel bad for them. Okay, उनकी कोई गलती नहीं थी, but they are writing that repeat NEET exam. I'm so sorry. I'm just overwhelmed right now, and I'm sorry for that. And like, yeah, if you are preparing for JWs or if you are preparing for CTs, um, focus it out more, guys, because these scenes are happen. This will always happen. Okay, तुम कुछ भी कहो, ये होने ही वाला है. It is from my NEET batch, like when that scam happened in 2024, because I gave my NEET in 2024. That year also, from that year, okay, this all things are happening, and I don't think so this will stop. Okay, so just be focused, just go with the flow. Okay, keep doing whatever you want. Okay, just don't be in pressure कि मेरे को यही करना है, एंड मेरे पापा यही बोल रहे हैं, मेरे फैमिली मेम्बर्स यही बोल रहे हैं, तो मैं यही करूँगी. डोंट बी इन दैट इंटेंशंस कि मेरे घर वाले जो बोलेंगे मैं वही करूँगी. तो यू हैव टू बी फिगरिंग आउट बाय योर सेल्फ कि तेरे को क्या करना है. So this is what I usually say in my all videos, and just that and मेरे को यही मतलब the motive of starting this vlog was this itself. I just got it something new, and yeah, don't worry, it's going to be all okay. Yeah, so it's time to end the vlog, guys. So yeah, I'll see you in my next vlog with some new content. Okay, I'll make it more interesting. I hope it was interesting this also. So yeah, let's end up this vlog. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep smiling, keep learning.